Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, orange color, orange color, light green color, light green color, white color, white color, blue color, blue color, purple color, purple color. Let's start. Yellow color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Blue color. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Brown color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Black color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Pink color. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. Brown color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Blue color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Blue color. H. H for hand. H for hand. Pink color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J. J for joker. J for joker. Pink color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Blue color. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Yellow color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Brown color. N. N for nose. N for nose. Yellow color. O. O for owl. O for owl. Blue color. P. P for piano. P for piano. Purple color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. R for ring. R for ring. Blue color. S. S for sister. S for sister. Pink color. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Blue color. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Pink color. V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Yellow color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Black color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.